Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something from Hong Kong. This is Sau Tao with their Tom Yum Kung flavored instant noodle king. Now these are a fancier noodle in their lineup. Oops. Huh? But yeah. So what do you get in these packs? Let me tell you. Now they're getting combative with each other. Hopefully that doesn't last for long. It's been a really quiet morning here at good old Rambling Stokesman Neighbors, the home of the place where I live. I made up that name, but that's like, if I ever have a mansion, I'm gonna call it Rambling Stokesman Neighbors. There's no reason. None. Don't try. So the noodles are different, and you gotta wet, you gotta dry. Need it, love it, be it. And the noodle itself you get in these is very thin. But yeah, this is an air-dried noodle. It's not like an instant that you just like chew it up. I'm gonna tell you right now, this one and the laksa, this is the Tom Yum Kung. This one and the laksa are a double sachet 1-2 punch. I mean, I've got to say, those two have just been blowing my mind, and they're really good. This one, wow, you know, I mean, I wish they had this stuff in cups and bowls too. Oh, no, wait, they do, but they don't have like an. I have to talk to them. I mean, they did send a pallet. They sent a whole freaking pallet. 400 pounds, ladies and gentlemen, of noodles. Man. Super good. Super duper good. I think... Oh, I can't comment on that because that list isn't out yet, but... I think they made one of the lists that I did recently. I did 4 lists on that week off that I took. That, I mean, if I hadn't taken that week off, I wouldn't have had any lists done still. And I know a lot of you really like my top 10, so that's a big thing. I think what I need to do is like, because I'm gonna have to do that again. If I do 4 lists, I'm like good for a while. The last list came out on the 20th, and that was the top 10 bowls. And now I've got bowls done, then there's cups, rice noodles, and bottom 10. I haven't redone the rice noodles since 2017, so. Yeah. It's fun. It's fun for you. It's stressful for me because it just takes so much time. I didn't even use green screen the last time. It was a pain in the butt. It was something extra that I did not want to deal with, so that's why I was able to get all those videos edited and done up and everything quicker. Because time is the fire in which I burn, and I burn a lot of time. So yeah, happiness to you. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing... Wait a second, I haven't even finished cooking these noodles. And it's about to turn to 1:30 p.m. here in lovely downtown Kenmore, Washington. It's a balmy 62 degrees on a Wednesday. And this is Hans the Ramen Raider bringing you the noodle news. things are happening. Stuff and things. Things and stuff. There's going to be a special deal where you can like and like and follow a certain company on Facebook and Instagram, and you'll have the chance to win a hat or a shirt that has their logo and my logo on it. The person with the company, really nice lady, she contacted me, I guess on the 17th, and I was like, only last night I went to like email her and go, so what's going on with the this and that and the other thing, and I like searched for her email address, and then right underneath there's an unread email that came in like on the 17th. I'm like, oh, yeah, that was me. Sorry about my late reply. But 4 days. Still, I like to, if I get an email from somebody that I'm like working with, I really like to reply to it like within minutes, not hours or days or anything like that. But that's cool. So yeah, when it gets closer to it, I will tell you. She said that I should be actually receiving a couple hats and a couple shirts on the 30th. So I'll do a special video of unboxing those, throw them on, and let you know what you could have for your very own. And it's a limited run. It's the only place you'll be able to get these fancy, super dandy shirts. I'm like stoked. And hats. To let everybody know how much you care by wearing the shirt with my logo on it. Alright. Stirring this tom yum. This stuff just smells so freaking good. Man, I wish I could get this tighter. I don't know why. Ugh. It just does not want to tighten up for nothing. Ow! Ah! It's funny. It's like what happens is I change it out with the other attachment. There's an attachment so I can put my phone on it. And I had to do a Zoom meeting, was it yesterday morning? Monday morning? But as soon as I do that and put this one back on, it's just immediately a pain in the butt again. And then it just kind of like settles out. Well, let's give this a try. Definitely a different looking noodle. This is Sau Tao's Noodle King noodle. Bop, 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 bop. Look at that broth. Loving it. Just loving it. There you go. Look at that. Look at that bounce to it. Boing, boing. That's flavor for days, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Yeah. That's swell stuff. I really like it. You want to make me happy? Make me a bowl of that. And don't kick me in the face. That'll make me happy. No face kicking, and make me a bowl of those noodles. I'm gonna throw in some mung bean sprouts in here. Like so. Give these a stir. Hopefully they will take on the color of this colorful broth. And I've got some, that's ham. That's for the next one. Got some shrimp. I want those to take on some color too, so I'm going to drop those in. Alright. Let's make this so. Okay, where do we go from here? Okay. You know, there's so much noodle in here, and one thing I always like to showcase is the broth. I'm going to take out some noodle just so it gets more of that look that I want it to have. Granted, if I wasn't doing this for photography purposes, I would just eat it. I may have to just do that anyways, because this is like super nummy. Come on. Go this route. Yeah, now we're talking. Make them all pretty. Shrimp are chasing each other. Chasing shrimp. Now let's make them pull up a little. Now we're going to throw in some tomato. Oh, I thought I cut this. Oh, I did. Oh, this is just like that. It's good. Coriander. I don't really know what else to add to this. Yeah, I think we're good. I mean, I can throw some spring onion on it, but there's really not much point. How about a little bit of fried onion? Fried onion and some, what do you call it? Chili flake. Yeah, that's enough of this song. You ready? Set? Beautiful. Yeah, if you see this Sau Tao stuff, especially if you see this and it's the Tom Yum, get it. You're gonna really like it, especially if you like Tom Yum or laksa. The rice noodle ones are good. The wheat noodle ones are great. Hit it up. And this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.